What if you could cancel every expensive knowledge management subscription you are paying right now? What if you could hand the whole job to NotebookLM and a handful of free tools instead? Not a stripped down workaround, not something that almost gets the job done. The full package, live data, automated updates, searchable business intelligence for $0 a month. That is exactly what I am breaking down for you today. Hey, I am Paul James. This channel is built for freelancers, consultants, and solo operators. People building real service businesses using free AI tools. Tools that compete with the expensive stacks everyone else is overpaying for. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Now let me show you the problem this solves. I hear about this constantly from people in this community. Eventually, someone convinces you that your business needs a proper knowledge management system. Maybe you have seen the ads, maybe a competitor mentioned what platform they use. So you sign up for one of those polished, enterprise-looking tools, the ones that promise to become your team's second brain. Within a month, you are staring at a $400 bill, wondering what you are actually getting. Here is the thing that nobody in those sales pages tells you. The data inside those platforms is mostly frozen in time. You upload a document and it sits there. The tool does not know what happened in your industry last Tuesday. It does not know what your target clients started asking about this week. It has no idea what the market shifted to overnight. It is an expensive filing cabinet with a beautiful interface layered on top of it. Here's where things get interesting. Google built NotebookLM, and the way most people use it right now barely scratches the surface. You drag in a PDF, ask it a few questions, get a solid answer. That works fine, but that is maybe 10% of what NotebookLM can actually do when you use it right. Wire it up with free data feeds and everything changes. Treat it as a living system instead of a static library, and the whole game shifts. Back when I was building from my brother's garage, enterprise software was never an option for me. I had to make free tools do the heavy lifting. That same mindset is exactly what this workflow is built on. What I want to teach you today is something I call the live feed architecture. The concept is straightforward. Instead of loading NotebookLM with static documents, you connect it to real-time information through free APIs. Now your NotebookLM notebook already knows what is happening in your market each morning. It knows what is moving in your niche. It knows what your client's industry shifted to overnight. It is not a snapshot anymore. It is a window that updates itself, and the tools you need to build this are all free, every single one of them. Here is how the live feed architecture works step by step. The first thing to understand is that NotebookLM accepts Google Docs as a native source. That one fact is the entire foundation. Get fresh data flowing into a Google Doc on an automated schedule. NotebookLM pulls from that doc every time you open your notebook. Step one is identifying the free API you want to pull from. This depends entirely on your niche, but there is no shortage of options. An RSS feed from a major publication in your target industry, Reddit's public API surfacing high engagement posts from subreddits your clients follow, a free financial data feed tracking sectors your consulting clients care about, a public government database flagging regulatory changes that affect their businesses. There are dozens of free tier APIs delivering structured, real-time information. Most people have never thought to use them as business intelligence. Stay with me because the next piece is where everything locks in. Step 2 is Google Apps Script. It is a completely free automation tool built into your Google account. It bridges your chosen API and your NotebookLM notebook. You write a short script, maybe 20 or 25 lines of code. It calls your API on a schedule and drops fresh output into a designated Google Doc. Never written a script before? That is completely fine. Describe what you want to any free AI assistant in plain English. It generates the code for you in under a minute. I am not exaggerating on that timeline. Most people never realize this part can be this simple. Step 3 is connecting that Google Doc to NotebookLM as a source. NotebookLM was built to work natively with Google Drive, so this connection is seamless. You add the doc once. From that point forward, Apps Script refreshes it overnight with new API data. Your notebook has the latest version ready whenever you open it. This part used to stress me out when I was learning to connect free tools like this. But once it is running, it becomes one of the most reliable systems in your entire stack. Here is what that actually looks like in practice. You open your NotebookLM notebook on a Monday morning. It already has the weekend's industry news pulled in. It already flagged a regulatory update relevant to your client. You ask it a question about what changed. It walks you through the answer using the fresh data it just pulled in. That is not a feature you pay $400 a month for anymore. That is a free workflow you built in an afternoon. Now let me break down where the real income opportunity lives. If you provide consulting, marketing, content, or research services, listen closely. The live feed architecture turns NotebookLM into something clients will pay monthly to have maintained. Think about the local business owner trying to stay current. They want to know what competitors are doing. They want to track regional economic news. They want to catch trends before those trends catch them. You set up a NotebookLM notebook fed by 3 free APIs pulling exactly that data. Every week, you deliver a concise briefing based on what the notebook surfaces. That is a legitimate retainer deliverable, and your overhead is zero. Think about the content strategist working with brands in a fast-moving niche. You wire up a NotebookLM notebook with live feeds from industry forums and niche news sources. You pull from public data tracking what people are searching for. Now, every content meeting starts with a notebook that already knows what the internet cares about. You are not just creating content. You are delivering market intelligence. That justifies a significantly higher rate. This is where things get really useful for the freelancer trying to stand out. Think about HR consultants, financial advisors, or legal services operators. Their clients depend on staying current with regulatory and policy changes. You build a NotebookLM intelligence system fed by public government APIs and industry news feeds. It monitors the landscape automatically. They pay you a setup fee and a monthly management rate. You built it in an afternoon with free tools. Here's the angle most people overlook. Real estate agents, mortgage brokers, and insurance professionals need to track market shifts every week. You build each of them a custom NotebookLM notebook. You feed it with public housing data APIs, local news feeds, and rate tracking sources. You maintain the setup. They stay informed. That is a service that sells itself because the alternative is spending hours doing it manually. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn tools like this into real income. Here's a quick picture of how this plays out in practice. Imagine a freelance researcher who works with independent e-commerce brands. Her clients are always asking the same questions. What are competitors charging? What is consumer sentiment saying about their category? Are any new regulations about to affect their supply chain? She was spending 4 to 5 hours a week manually pulling this together before client calls. She builds the live feed architecture using NotebookLM, Google Apps Script, and 3 free APIs. She pulls from retail news, consumer review aggregators, and trade publication feeds. The whole build takes her one afternoon. Now the notebook updates itself every night. Her weekly prep time drops to under 30 minutes. Here's the twist almost nobody mentions. Once she sees how much her clients value the intelligence she is delivering, she repackages it. She offers a standalone monitoring service separate from her core research work. Clients pay a monthly flat rate for a custom-built NotebookLM notebook that watches their market for them. The service runs on free tools. The value she delivers is real-time market awareness. That used to cost a $400 platform to approximate. That is the leverage shift the live feed architecture creates for a solo operator. You are not working more hours. You are making your free tools work while you sleep. Picture what your next 30 days look like when your research process runs on autopilot. Imagine walking into every client conversation already knowing what shifted in their market that morning. NotebookLM surfaced it for you automatically. You stop reacting to information and start presenting it. You become the person in the room who always knows what is happening. That is a completely different positioning, and it costs you nothing to run. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.